Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're taking a look at the two Hong Kong index. Before we begin, remember to take a second to give the video a like and subscribe as you really help our channel. Without further ado, let's take a look at the Hang Seng Index. So for the Hang Seng Index, it was a pretty good week. In fact, we did climb on two particular days on Tuesday and Thursday, which was a pretty short week because of a Monday holiday. And you can see that this was very much like a bullish engulfing candle. The next day, we actually shot back up. So after clearing the 20,000 psychological resistance and even holding clearing the 61% 19,400, we actually tested this next resistance at 78.6% at 20.7K and even surpassing it. So for the week, we just closed shy below the 21,000 psychological resistance. In the event that we can actually clear this particular high here around 21,300, it puts us in a very good position to actually test the next 22,000 psychological resistance. Having said that, it's likely for us to pull back, considering the fact that on Thursday and Friday we saw these two bearish looking candles, signifying a sign of sellers. So for now, the first support we're looking at is this 20.3K at this blue conversion line. And this red baseline is currently still trying to catch up, and it's around 19,500 levels. So let's take a look at the Hang Seng Tech Index. So for the Hang Seng Tech Index, slightly weaker. Yes, we did clear the 61.8% at 4212. And for these two particular days, we saw a breakout above this recent high here around the 4,400 psychological resistance. So the next resistance was this 78.6% at 4620. And you can see that we actually came close to test this on this particular just yesterday on Thursday. In fact, we hit a high of 4601. And thereafter we saw 2 days of selling pressure of red candles. So looking at the support levels, we are looking at the first support is in fact this blue conversion line, which is around 4309 levels. And if we were to drop further, the red baseline is actually trying to catch up, is around 4050 levels. So in the event that we can cross this, we are looking towards the 5,000 psychological resistance, which is still pretty far away. So we shouldn't be aiming for it for now. As of now, what we want to see is this previous resistance turning into support. If that can happen, then potentially we may climb up further. That said, this was a previous high here. So if we do not hold this support, it's likely for us to create a bull trap where the breakout traders actually took this trade and they get trapped. And the market makers start pushing the stock prices down, and thereafter the index will follow as well. So the next week is critical, whether or not we are able to hold this critical support here, which was this previous high here around 4390 levels. So hopefully we can see a retest of this recent high and even potentially this resistance next week. If not, it's likely for us to come back down to retest this blue conversion line around 4300 levels. So if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by. Till we meet again, appreciate the manipulation.